wanted to give you all a proper room tour. Yes, he's here. Yes, come on in, please. Yeah. Yes.
Welcome to your second home.
Yes, thank you. That's the first thing that is going to say. Welcome home. Yes.
Welcome
My
home.
brother, because I'm their names. You know, Jamaica. I got to represent for Jamaica.
Hey. Jamaica.
See, enter the room. First thing you come to is the bathroom. Oh, let me go out. Look at that shower head and this tub. Ooh, appropriate. So we got a whole production here. It's a double shower. So your girl gotta come back with a boo. Look at that. Oh man. It's a whole scene. Yes, let me just frame this right here. Wait. Look at it separated. And now let's take this one. Ooh, and inclusive mini bar. Got some Presidente in there. Water, we see to bottled water for everything, including brushing the teeth. Closets. Got the closets. I'll show y'all. See that? Before we get any further, come back down. Hey, I'm gonna tell you how we do another bed. King size bed. That's fine. View. Place is huge. Several food in front of me. Beach just over there. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, but I'm gonna go to the restaurant and something to eat, which is just after the water park. Little patio area. We'll get in. Let's back in the shower. Listening to DJ Private Ryan. Who's gonna leave?